I am Daria and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to cook the New York yummy, delicious, delighted cheesecake. And when you're done, share it with your friends, family, and everyone who you know. Let's get started. We are going to need sour cream, cream cheese, eggs, graham crackers, vanilla extract, sugar, flour, and lemon. First, we're gonna make a super easy graham cracker crust. To make a crust, we are going to add butter, sugar, and graham cracker crumbs. Mix everything together. So here is my mix. Transfer the graham cracker mixture into the buttered springform. Get your measuring cups and press firmly, and don't forget the edges. Move the graham cracker crust and press, press, press. When you're done with the crust, put it in the fridge. Add vanilla extract to your cream cheese. Then add some sugar. Next, we are going to add sour cream. Next, add some flour. Add a little bit of lemon zest to add flavor. Since we don't have a mixer, we are going to use a blender. Now we put our eggs one by one in the blender to blend it. After blending the butter, we get our spatula and mix it. Mix gently so you won't have lumps. Like those big balls, you have to squish them. Now you get out your graham crackers and put the butter in here. I am going to try. Yum. It's good. Put your cheesecake inside the bigger pan. Preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Put your cheesecake inside the oven for 10 minutes and don't forget to ask for help. After 10 minutes, you lower down the temperature for 300 Fahrenheit and keep baking for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, my cheesecake is finally out, so right now I'm going to test it if it's ready or not. And you have to jiggle it. And if it jiggles in the middle, then that means it's ready, so it is jiggling. After putting the cheesecake in the fridge overnight, it's finally time to try it. Alright guys, bye. Hope you like my channel. My recipe and ingredients are going to be down below. And I also want to give a shout out to Mila Perez. Thank you for subscribing. What you're gonna do, subscribe to my channel, you